What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a monumental day because oh, you almost failed. Today we install my brand new functioning form coilovers on Nami, my brand new DC5 RSX. This is a 2002 Acura RSX Type S, of course, you know the vibes. The reason why the suspension is being the first thing we install is because, well, this shock is clapped out city. So Functioning Form kindly enough hooked us up with a set of their coilovers for the RSX, and don't forget, guys, I am backed up by them. So if you guys would like your own set of Functioning Form coilovers, use discount code ZOSH19 and you will receive a thick discount on your set of Functioning Form coilovers. So with enough talking, let's unbox these bad boys and get to work. So here we have my Type 1 coilover kit from Functioning Form. Comes with everything you needed, even a measuring tape to measure your distance, deciding how low or high you want to raise or lower your car. You have all new your new hardware for there, and then you have obviously the adjustable wrenches to adjust your coilover height and position. I hope I sounded smart, because you know, when it comes to me and instructions and trying to instruct you guys on what stuff to do, your boy ain't the brightest. Super facts. But here's the rears. Well, sorry, here's the front. This is the rear. And we're gonna get this bad boy jacked in the air. And, well, not jacked, but lifted in the air. And then start the process of installing this bad boy. You feel me? So we're working on the rear now. The front is all done, as you guys seen in the previous clip. But well, it's not it's kind of a pain to get to on the RSXs, because you gotta get like a swivel. So I can't even show you guys, but it's over tucked around that corner. But David to the rescue. Here, yeah, I got you. I can't even see, huh? Can you see now? Such a pain. Did you call me a babe? I said such a pain. Oh. You are a babe, David. You called me a babe. So the top two bolts are loosened out on the front left side of the car. Now to loosen the rear, we just got one 17mm bolt, which is right here. But I'm getting a ratchet. You're gonna want to use a ratchet unless you have not a 3/8. It's a half. I mean, I need a 1/2 inch ratchet. Unless you have a 17 3/8. I don't have a 17 3/8 over here. And that bolt, and once we loosen that bolt, suspension is out, and we gotta put the new ones on, and then we're done. Sure, it'll be fine. officially come to an end of the video. Well, kinda, I don't know. Well, not really, but the end of the install portion. Yes, the car is high. I have the car raised up just in case when I get wheels, hopefully soon, I can just throw them on and dial it in from there instead of trying to dial it in to make it look low, as cool as I can. But this is it. This is how she stands, boy. Track stands. That's it. That's my boo. That's my boo. That's me right there, playboy. That's me in the RSX. That's me. Oh my God, I love this car already. Nami, I love you. The sun is going down, which means I gotta continue this video tomorrow with and ride quality and all that stuff like that. So, see you guys in the morning with, you know, the rest of the video. So for the review portion of this video, decided to go POV so I give you guys, I don't know, a different viewpoint of me driving the car with the new car, the RSX. But so far so good. Yesterday I had my 11-hour drive from Louisiana to Florida, and it was crazy, but the ride quality was amazing. For being type 1s and not type 2s with the adjustable dampening and all that stuff, it drove very comfortable. Like, I was very comfortable with driving this car for 12 hours. Like, when I drove my Integra, that sucked because I had upgraded spring rates, so my spring rates were hella stiff, but this was like beyond comfortable. Like, I was perfectly fine with this. Ooh, that's nice. You trying to lock it up, fool? You trying to lock it up, bro? Damn, that thing sounds good, bro. Camden, oh my God. So, function informed coilovers being priced very budget friendly, it's worth it. It's worth it because the price you pay, and you know how they always say you pay for what you get. I feel like with function informed coilovers, like, you're paying for what you get, but what you're getting for the price is worth it beyond the price, if that makes sense. Like, I'm not trying to sit here and be a salesman for you guys, but like, the coilover, like, I've been on function informed for years. Literally years. I've never rode on anything else besides like my friends' cars. But I don't know, man, like, I'm loyal to function informed, and I'm so glad that I could be able to work with them and they work with me on the car, because like, their coilovers are great. Like, I can't say anything. Like, you guys are probably seeing the, like, I don't know, man, like, it drives smooth. It rides good, rides smooth. Complemented with the V3 hybrid racing shifter with the boot collar and the knob that you can get at hybridracing.com with discount code 5OFFZOSH. But if you guys are on the market for some coilovers, I highly recommend going with function informed, man. For the price, you can't beat it, and you can obviously upgrade your spring rate size if you want something more stiffer, because they do offer that. They offer lower control arms. They offer a lot of stuff. Like, you guys, be sure to check the link down below in the description box. And use discount code ZOSH19, okay? Use discount code ZOSH19 to save 10% off your coilover kit today. Yep, him! This thing needs an alignment very bad. I definitely do need to get an alignment. Other than that, it drives pretty smooth, pretty good. I only did 4 stops in total for gas. I only spent like up to, I think, $100 for gas. And it was a 12-hour drive, so that's kind of bad, because I do gotta do a full maintenance upgrade, like oil change. The oil it was recently changed because it's golden, like that light honey brown, so that's good. The oil was changed recently. Definitely needs spark plugs, needs maybe coil packs. It got 185,000 miles on it, so definitely needs some type of attention. Definitely need, oh my God. Definitely needs windshield wipers. That's God. But other than that, man, it's a very great, solid car. And if you're wondering if you should buy this car as a first car, you should, because this thing is pretty good. So slow. It's so slow, but I can't wait to do like some full bolt-ons, get a tune on it. You know, get like a nice little tune. I have no idea where I'm going. I think it needs axles or ball joints. Well, that is going to wrap it up for this video. I would show the other side of my face, but I have a cold sore or whatever. It looks like AIDS. Like, I look like I have AIDS on my face, and I'm trying so hard not to show you guys because it's terrible. Like, it's literally terrible. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is so embarrassing. Like, I'm usually not the one to be embarrassed. But dog, this looks disgusting. Like, it literally looks like I have AIDS on my mouth. I look like a DJ. Yo! I should just like change the audio of this to like me screaming. So that's why I'm gonna close out this video. Like basically this is gonna look like I'm screaming. So I want to give a thick shout out to Function and Form for sponsoring this video, providing Nami with some beautiful Type 1 coilovers. Hope soon enough to be upgraded to Type 2s. We'll see how 2020 pans out for you, Benoy. And just spring brakes make the RSX a little bit more of a track setup, kind of some stiffer springs for 12K, some 12 and 14K or something. I don't know. We'll see. But other than that, man, she drives like a dream. And be sure to use discount code ZOSH19 to save 10% off your order at f2suspension.com. Link down below to everything. Also, thank you to Hybrid Racing for just providing me with such a great car. Be sure to use discount code 5OFF ZOSH at hybridracing.com for 5% off your entire order at Hybrid Racing. And that will be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas. I hope you're spending it with your friends and family or your girlfriend. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh.